Hey parents, today we are going to be taking a look at Hail to Thee America and Brother John on page 5. Hail to Thee America, we're going to start in treble clef with the right hand on C with the first finger. So we're going to go C, D, E, D, E, F, G. Hold that out for a half note. Left hand, E, G, F, E, D, hold it out as a half note, C, hold it out as a half note. You also will see that there is a slur line. That means to play legato or smoothly connected. The idea here is that there's really just no pause between notes. As I'm playing that next note, my previous finger comes up. So it's not kind of broken like that. It's more. So each note sort of leads into the next one. Left hand would go. All right. And that is Hail to Thee, America. The bottom of the page, we have Brother John, also known as Frere Jacques. Here we are going to go C in the right hand, C, D, E, C. Then we go to the left hand, C, the fifth finger, D, E, C. Right hand, E, F, G. We go to the left hand, E, F, G. Second line, we're going to start on the right hand on G, G, F, E, C. Then the bass clef left hand, G, F, E, C. And they're just going to go back and forth between the right and left hands. C, G, C, half note, C, G, C, half note. The other thing to take note of on the song is the dynamic markings. Dynamics are how loud or how soft something is played. So here we have piano or soft at the beginning. Second line, we're going to play forte. If they're having trouble controlling how loud or how soft something is, remind them it's not how hard you bring your finger down, it's how quickly you bring your finger down. If you bring your finger down very slowly, you'll get a soft sound. If you bring it down very quickly, you get a much louder sound. It might take some practice to kind of get it, but definitely make sure that they are trying to get those dynamics in Brother John. All right, and that's it for today.